Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, I'm going to do a bad job today. People want to do their job well, but sometimes systematic issues get in the way.
In this modern era, when we have digital natives really entering the workforce, people are looking for a different experience on the shop floor as well.
We've seen this across industries, across functions, where siloed people, processes, automations, and data all delay people's ability to take action on it. Searching through various systems or waiting for an answer from another team is not only a huge waste of time, but pretty frustrating in some cases. Connected worker transformations can help reduce a lot of these systematic issues by doing things as simple as giving operators the information they need when they need it in order to do their job well. It also helps to unify all the different systems and tools all into a single digital interface, whether that's a mobile or computer-based view. And it also helps to move from reactive problem solving to proactive problem solving and prevention.
In our experience with ServiceNow at our client, so we actually surveyed employee experience prior to deployment and after, and we're able to see a significant step change in employee satisfaction. And we did that while improving efficiency. And that measurable impact was double-digit OEE growth. So it's not a small improvement, but a really significant change that's materially impacting the performance of a company.
The hardest part of transformation is changing people's mindsets and behaviors.